I want to show you an easy way to only have to transplant your tomatoes one time. So I'm going to suggest that you start with something kind of tall because you want to be able to create as much of a root system as possible for this tomato plant before it goes out into the yard. I'm going to drill a few holes in the bottom of this and then we will get started and talk about the soil. Here I have a little bit of indoor potting mix. But as you can see, I filled it up to about 1.5 inches from the top. Now we're going to take our seed starting mix. Now, as you can see, this seed starting mix, this is very, very, very light. So that is going to go in another about another inch or so on the top of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 3 seeds in here. It's a good idea to plant 3, as much as it might pain you to execute 2 of those plants. But have strength and do it when the time is right. So I'm going to poke 3 holes, and really not too deep. I'm going to go about 1/8 to 1/4 inch. It doesn't even have to be that deep, but we're going to go with that. I'm going to water it because once you've got them in there, it's always a little touchy. It's already been pre-watered, but I want the top layer to have enough water to get these things going. So we're just tossing in these seeds into the holes. We'll cover them up. Just covering up those holes, and we are almost ready. But here's what's really important. Once these things sprout, you are going to want to give them lots of light. And this is where people fail. If you don't give it enough light, you're going to get this scraggly thing that's going to reach and reach and reach because it's trying to find the light. Here's what I have for a setup. They used to be fluorescent light fixtures, and I retrofitted them for LED light bulbs. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day.